So is grinding related to stress? Well, yeah, it is, but not in the way that we are traditionally thinking about it. When we can't breathe, we go into fight or flight and our body is stressed. Our nervous system flips into fight or flight. That is stress. But we're not grinding because we're stressed. We're grinding because we can't breathe and we feel stressed because we can't breathe. They're both symptoms of the same root cause problem. So we're stressed because we can't breathe, and grinding is the body's survival response to that stress. It's not random and it's not a phase. It's absolutely physiological. And it's such a huge thing that we need to pay attention to.